Hi, I'm Eric Gustitus,
And I'm Tony.
and we're with the Rhonda Gustitus team.
And Keller Williams Peace River Partners. Today we're here for the Northport installation banquet for our new board members, and we are enjoying this beautiful facility. It's amazing, great for weddings. You want to come out here right on Charlotte Harbor. It's great. Northport Chamber is doing amazing, helping business, helping the community, and things are going fabulous right now.
Absolutely. Take a view of what we're looking at.
With
It
this.
is. Look at that view.
Many times we're
that's
on the other
beautiful.
side of Punta Gorda looking this way, but we're at Port Charlotte looking that way for a change, you know?
Absolutely beautiful. Eric, tell us about the young entrepreneurs group that you're part of.
Yeah, we're with the Northport Chamber of Commerce Youth Professionals, and it's great. We meet once a month, and we have wonderful fundraisers and events where we can come out, be together, and just have some fun and raise money for local charities as well.
Oh,
so
fantastic.
if you want any information, please reach out to me. And then we move up to the Northport Chamber of Commerce.
Chamber of Commerce, I've been a member for over 28 years. When I first moved from Connecticut, it helps you do business and helps you help others, you know? And the Chamber is the best place to start to get any information on everything around the entire area. It's Northport Chamber of Commerce.
And Tony, did I hear they just bought a building? Tell us about that.
Yes, after, many years, we finally got our own building. It's going to be on Tamiami Trail right there on there. It's going to be a great facility. We're going to be remodeling it, getting that open in about a year.
Yep, was that next to...
It's right there on Tamiami Trail, not too far across from Winn-Dixie, between the Moose Club and Family Table Restaurant.
Oh yeah.
It's a great
spot.
location, great signage, so everybody will be able to find us and see us. So we want anybody who's in business, come over and see us, join the Chamber, and anybody who needs any information of what's going on, that's the best place to find out what's happening.
Fantastic.
Activity for our Luau special for Northport Chamber. We have our Luau dancers.
I want to give a big shout out to Matt because, but that's just I just want to make sure you guys recognize for that because he feels like, and I know I understand, but he doesn't understand how much you guys appreciate what he did. So in this board,
He kept us going.
you guys may have the best board I've ever seen in my life. So this is absolutely incredible. So. To our board of directors, I know I speak on behalf of Emily and Denise and myself. You guys make our life. I tell you what, and your members are very fortunate. So, as we do this,
they're already built in. They want to stay. So it's perfect. So everybody asked me, how did your year go? It's like better than I ever expected. It just went too fast. I was just getting my second win. This is God. But I thank you. I want to thank all the people that work so hard in the chamber, on the board of directors, the committee members, and people that come out and sponsor. We sell out everything. It's amazing. We're booked. I don't think you can buy a horse next year. Can you? I've never seen anything like it.
Will you, as members of the Northport Area Chamber of Commerce, agree to support and work with them the goals and the objectives of the Northport Area Chamber of Commerce? If so, say I do.
I do.
Thank you very much. By the power vested in me as mayor of the city of Northport, I hereby install you as board of directors of the Northport Area Chamber of Commerce for the year 2021-22. Congratulations.
Everyone's had a great time tonight, enjoyed the entertainment, and we have more to come. 5 minutes away, so I'll make this as quick as I can.
no, you don't. Drag it out. Drag it out.
But thank you so much. It's great to see so many friends here tonight, and I thank you all for coming. I appreciate the confidence you've shown in me by making me chamber president. I promise to do my best to follow in the footsteps of the outstanding presidents who have preceded me, including our current mayor, Jill Luke, Dave Roth, Matt Dill, Vera Wardell,
So thank you for joining us. I'm Eric Gustitus.
And I'm Tony Gustitus, and
we're
remember,
we're Real Estate's a
the dream with the Rhonda Gustitus team. Everybody have a great
Take care.
day.